So when the weeds have taken over, or if you're having large patches, actually sitting there and removing the weeds might not be the best solution. So in that case, you would need a selective herbicide. Selective herbicides are manufactured, are created specifically not to kill the grass. Bonus, yes! And I'm going to let you in on something. No matter what selective herbicide you are using, always read the instructions. Always apply it over the correct area, which might be 100 square meters, depending on the area that you're working on. And it's very important that you use it on a hot, sunny, windless day. Guys, and for perennial weeds, and there's a difference between annual and perennial weeds, you really do need to use a selective herbicide which has at least 3 active ingredients. That's on the back of the packaging. You will see it will list 1, 2, 3. Perennial weeds can only be dealt with a really good selective herbicide, which needs 3 active ingredients. If you've got annual weeds, certainly a product with just 1 active ingredient will do the job.